Hey, did you hear Frontier's adding a new plane?
So?
Well, we're gonna need a new animal.
Hey, how about a kangaroo? He can carry our stuff in his built-in man purse.
I vote for a chicken.
Why is that?
I like chicken.
How about a monkey? Or we could use some opposable thumbs around here.
Actually, guys, I think they're gonna let people decide.
People?
Are you
Not
kidding?
humans.
Oh, no. They'll never make up their mind. Takes them a year to pick a president.
Who will be the next Frontier animal? Watch the auditions and help us choose at frontierairlines.com.